Hello, and welcome to my Python Programming for Beginners course. This course is designed to help people who have zero experience in programming to learn how to write code in Python. In this video, we're going to start off with getting our computer set up to write Python code. This involves downloading and installing Python and the program Visual Studio Code. So what we're going to do now is switch over to our web browser here, and we're going to go to the websites to download Python and Visual Studio Code. Both of these links can be found in the description. So, on the Python website here, you click the download Python button here. So at the moment, it's the latest version is 3.11.0, which is the one I've already downloaded. So if you want to download the same version as me, you can find that version down here if it's not the most recent. Otherwise, just click this button. For Visual Studio Code, go to this website, click the blue download button here, and both of these should just download to your computer instantly. So I've already got them downloaded, so let's go and install Python first. So obviously just double click the executable and you can do this. So let's see, we will add Python to the path, as this will allow us in the terminal to just write the word Python and it knows exactly what to look for. And we will do install now. So click yes for that and we'll let it install very quickly. Alright, so Python is now completely installed, so now let's go up and install Visual Studio Code. So, yep, click I accept and agree. Next. I recommend adding both add open with code for file context menu and add open with code for directory context menu. What this allows is if you're in Explorer, you can right click and it'll give you the option to open it in code. So I recommend clicking those and click next, install. So we'll let that install very quickly. Alright, now that has finished installing, let's click finish and I'll launch Visual Studio Code for us. Let's test to see if Python has correctly installed and how we can use Visual Studio Code to access it. So to begin with, let's just click on that. We can create a new file by doing Control N. Then we can do Control S to save it, and I'll save it to my desktop as test.py. So as you can see here at the bottom, right there, it's asking, do you want to install the recommended extensions for Python? We do want to do that, as it comes with useful stuff for writing in Python, such as autocomplete, and allows you to run your code within Visual Studio Code and test it. So we will let Visual Studio Code install this extension. Alright, the extension just finished installing, so we've already got our Python file, so we'll exit from that and go to here where we have our file. So we're going to do a basic program which everyone who learns programming does. It's called Hello World, which is basically just making the program print the word Hello World out. So in Python, we'll just test this for now. Type in print. You can see how all of this autocomplete stuff has come up. That's what the Visual Studio Code extension has done. So write print, add parentheses, then we'll add quotes inside where we'll type hello, if I can spell it right, hello world. So we'll save that. Then in Visual Studio Code, press F5 for to run it. It will ask select a debug configuration. Just select the first one. It will run in the terminal down here, and you can see it printed hello world. So this lets you know that Python is successfully installed and that you can use Visual Studio Code to write and run it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the new videos that will be added to this Python Programming for Beginners course.